Welcome to a brief introduction to Walla Walla University's modified version of Windows 8.1. Let's get started. You will see that your desktop looks very similar to Windows 7. At the bottom left-hand corner you will find your Start button, and although it appears different, the use of the Start button is the same as Windows 7. You can search for programs and files. For example, if you're looking for OneNote, type in the word OneNote into the search bar. You can access your local C drive or network drives, as well as navigate to devices and printers where you can select a default printer. Right-click on the device you would like to set as default. Scroll down to Set as Default Printer. Then you should see a green check mark on the left side of your device. You can also use the Start menu to log off, shut down, and restart your computer. Essential icons are pinned to your taskbar for your convenience, such as File Explorer and Outlook. There are several new features introduced with Windows 8.1. Let's look first at the Charms feature. To access your Charms, go to the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Charms are quick navigations to actions such as Settings, Devices, Start, Share, and Search. However, keep in mind that this feature is meant to be used with Windows 8.1 apps, which we will discuss later. To get out of the Charms, click out of that part of the screen or use the key combination Windows key C. Your Windows key is located at the lower left-hand corner of your keyboard. Another new feature in Windows 8.1 is the Metro Start view, which is referred to as your Start screen. To access your Start screen, hit the Windows key on your keyboard or click on the Start button, then scroll up to Start Screen. Or you can use the Charms feature. The Start screen is similar to your Start menu because it enables you to personalize your computer based on what you use most often. Because this configuration was meant to be used for touchscreens, you use tiles to develop your Start screen. To pin a program, find the program in your program list by clicking on the arrow at the bottom of the screen. Then right-click on the program you'd like to select. In this case, let's use Microsoft PowerPoint. After you right-click, select Pin to Start. Now let's say you use the Documents folder frequently. Navigate to the folder, then right-click and select Pin to Start. Then return to your Start screen. Now instead of going to the file path each time you need to access documents, just click on your Documents tile. If you find it more convenient, you can also pin to either your taskbar or your Start menu. To pin to your taskbar, right-click and select Pin to Taskbar. Then if you return to your desktop, you will find a folder icon pinned to your taskbar. If you want to pin to your Start menu, return to your folder and right-click. You will see the option to Pin to Start and Pin to Start menu. Pin to Start will pin the folder to your Start screen. Pin to Start menu will pin it to your Start menu, like Windows 7. Once you've selected what you want to pin to your Start screen, you can move or label the new tiles. To label your tiles, right-click somewhere in your Start screen and select Name Groups. Enter in the name or edit previous names, then hit Enter. Finally, click out of the tiles. If you enter into the Start screen and would like to go back to your desktop, hit the Windows key located on your keyboard and it will take you back to your desktop Start menu. Or you can hit Windows key D, which will simply return you back to your desktop. Although not supported by the help desk, Windows 8.1 gives you the option to purchase apps through the Windows Store. This idea is similar to the Apple Store and requires you to use a Microsoft account. To sum up, our modified version of Windows 8.1 is very similar to Windows 7, but with additional features. We hope that you find it reliable and easy to use. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact the help desk at extension 2317 or email us at support@wallawalla.edu.